Alright, this is the Smart SV-2 2023. Go ahead and just ramp the spindle up. 4th axis.
Spindle at
it's moving, okay.
2,000 RPM. We'll put it to 5. 5,000 RPM. We'll put it to 8.
That's 8? Oh, okay.
8,000 RPM.
10 is the max, right?
12 is the
Oh, 12 is the max.
RPM. And 12,000
The outboard tool changing. Oh yeah, I see.
Well, when you turn it on, first thing in the morning,
Yeah.
then you call up the tool chain.
Yeah.
It goes through the process where it's
okay.
registering all the tools in the pocket.
Okay, I got it. Oh, now it's gonna go back?
You can see it here too.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna call it the probe.
Okay.
Probing.
Okay.
Let's do A-axis.
A-axis?
Or 4th axis.
Oh, 4th axis? Yeah, there it goes. Okay. X, Y, and Z. Y. Yep, nice and quiet. See?
Let's home it out.